When an anonymous account starts sending threats or blackmail, the isolation is immediate. You are being watched by someone who knows your life, while they remain completely invisible to you. Reporting these attacks often leads to the same generic advice: ignore the messages or delete your account. For professionals, influencers, and business owners, deleting a profile destroys a career. It is an act of surrender that costs the victim their livelihood. There is a different path. You can stop the abuse through specific legal procedures without having to disappear from the internet. Specialized legal teams use forensic techniques to dismantle anonymity, turning a hidden profile back into a real-world identity that can be held accountable in court. Cohen Davis solicitors began developing these strategies in 2012 when they brought the UK's first internet trolling case to the High Court in London. Their process begins with private detectives recruited from military and intelligence backgrounds, tracing digital footprints across borders. To find an attacker, the firm secures court orders forcing tech platforms and VPN servers to hand over user data, unmasking hidden locations. But international data requests involve significant processing times, and during this wait, the victim often faces increasing harassment. Identifying the person is a long-term goal, but stopping the immediate harm requires a faster way to intervene legally. This challenge was at the center of the case of DDF, an entertainment professional with a massive Instagram following, who was targeted by an unknown user known only as YYZ. YYZ threatened to derail DDF's career by sending fake allegations and private, intimate photographs to their followers. DDF could not simply close the account. Doing so would have validated the attacker's threats and ended their professional life. At the time, Instagram had never agreed to provide a UK user with the identity of someone harassing them. This made the attacker a ghost that the legal system couldn't see. The lawyers had to find a way to silence an attacker whose real name and physical location remained a total mystery to the court. The legal team sought an immediate privacy injunction under the Protection from Harassment Act. This is a 1997 UK law that allows the court to prohibit specific behaviors that cause distress or alarm. The judge ordered that DDF remain permanently anonymous to the public and strictly prohibited the troll from sharing any private information. Under Civil Procedure Rule 6.15, the judge authorized the lawyers to deliver the injunction directly to the troll via an Instagram direct message. This allowed the court order to reach the attacker even without a physical home address. Once the target saw a court-stamped order in their own private messages, the harassment stopped. The ruling showed that a social media handle does not provide immunity from the High Court. If an attacker can be reached through a screen, they can be reached by the law. DDF kept their social media account active, fully protected their career, and completely avoided any public media attention regarding the case. Those who use the internet to extort or stalk are not beyond the reach of the High Court, and victims have specific rights to protect their digital presence. If you are experiencing cyberbullying or extortion, you can contact Cohen Davis solicitors to begin the process of unmasking your harasser and securing your life.